Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrows. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? One night to find the answer. Won't you talk to me? What makes this heart beat faster? find my way tonight. Way tonight.
I'm light on my feet. With every move I meditate, dreaming wide awake for the times I can't sleep.
Superman, holy kryptonite to kill feelings. All my life I've been chilling. I can feel the ice building up, eyes white shut. Light is us, smoking in the dark, out of dust. Fuck yourself.
Red eyes in the mirror, dead trying to figure, but instead I see a figure so unfair that he bled. Liquid lead shots aiming
fighting for the headlights. You would rather follow roles and roll your dice for paradise. Yeah, sacrificing for the heist, taking everything I can, but keep your advice. In hindsight, I can't regret a bit. Even a blind dyke can tell that you a pussy ass bitch, taking no risk. Raise the stakes and let it marinate. Grew and let the residue resonate. Rebelling to replenish the health. My ex say she an open book, filling the shelves, drawing hearts from a deck of cards. No love was dealt. Superman rolling kryptonite to kill feelings. All my life I've been chilling. I can feel the ice building up, eyes white shut, light is up, smoking in the dark, down the dust. Fuck us up.
Heavy eyes, but I'm light on my feet. Yeah, with every move I meditate, dreaming wide awake for the times I can't sleep. Yeah, I got a case of bad insomnia, chasing that euphoria. So I go in and I shine, got a golden state of mind, but I'm more than just a warrior. They fly on the DeLorean, I'm back.
I got trust issues in my gut tissues for real. I feel them bluffing when they show me a deal. Yeah, I'm from the youth, but I'm pursuing what I feel. Some got student loans, I got studio bills. I came in the game, now she pregnant. I don't rep the city, I'm a rapper, not a senate. A tendency to remedies to never be dependent. Hit after hit, I should quit music to do tennis. I mean, I'm in it, I'm doing what I wanna do. In debt because I paid a dude. Rapper talk shit, I slay the dude. You don't know shit until you live off ramen noodles. It's been a long way, I'm happy that it happened brutal. Superman rolling kryptonite to kill feelings. All my life I've been chilling. I can feel the ice building up, eyes white shut, light is up, smoking in the dark, down the dust. Fuck us up.
Heavy eyes, but I'm light on my feet.